Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you're new, I am Mrs. K, so you can call me whatever you prefer. Today's a Sunday. We're starting a brand new vlog. You know what, I was just shooting a very exciting vlog, so I don't know how this one is gonna turn out, but I have I think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is gonna be pretty chilled, and then from Wednesday to Saturday I'm gonna be busy because we're preparing for our mental health event. I hope you guys are gonna be there. I hope you guys bought your tickets already, and I can't wait to see you guys. I hope when you guys see me, you guys will be able to say hi. Please don't be shy. I'm such a nice person. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Actually, I am from church. I went with Shana and we got a couple of stuff. We actually went yesterday to do a bit of shopping, but I was too lazy to vlog, so we went to like shopping and that whole complex. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few stuff that I got. One thing about Shana, she's gonna complain about her hair being on my vlogs, but every time I'm trying to record a video, why hit the head? Anyways, let me show you guys what we got. Ne? I wanted to show you guys my outfit, but I won't be able to do it from here, especially shooting like this. It's gonna have to be straight. But I'm wearing this bodysuit. It's actually a bodysuit. I really love it. Love the material. I got this one from Tlhe. I think it's called Tlhe in Real Park. So got this 2-3 weeks back. Yeah, I think it was like 40 bucks. I'm wearing these jeggings from the shopping complex. I think I'll shoot a landscape and put it on the side. And then I'm wearing my boots from Mr. Price that I got last year for 100 bucks. So from the stuff that we got yesterday, first we have these slippers. Love them so much. These slippers 40. Yeah, I think these are 40 bucks. I really like them. They match my gown. I have a grey gown, so I love them so much. I'm actually gonna change into my gown because it's actually very cold now. So let me show you some other stuff. I got this leather jacket. Obviously it's not real leather. It was 118. Complex they were like shopping. It's the first shop you learn when you enter the complex. So I really like it. It's a cropped jacket and it's by this brand. I don't know the name. I don't know the brand, honestly. I hope you guys can see that. I got in a size medium. Let me try it on for you guys. I really like this jacket. I've been looking for something like this. I finally found it, so it makes me so happy. This is what the jacket looks like. It's cropped, obviously. Hey, it's obviously cropped. You can button it there. There we go. But I honestly like it as a button here, and obviously it will not make sense now because of my outfit, but really it's about the jacket. So please. So it's that jacket. They had various colors actually. I think green, brown, nude and stuff. I got this cropped jersey for like shopping straight. I don't know if it's cropped, but can you see her black, a turtleneck, long hands. Alright, this was, I don't know, like 50 bucks I think. And then I got the, I don't know if these are pants, like sweatpants, but they are wide legged and have a little cut out over there. at the bottom. Really like this in this pink color. I think I'm gonna go back for the nude cream white color. Really love it. I was torn between this color and the other one, but because I have nude pants, I opted for this pink color. Heyyyyy was the last pink. Was the last pink in the shop, so I felt like the nude color sounds everything, so I can always go back for it when I get money. So really like them. They look long. They look like they're gonna be really long. I'm a tall girl, so I really like when pants are up to my ankles, at least. At the very least, design it like to my ankles. If they don't, I don't like them already. So every time pants are not up to my ankles, I feel like I don't like that for myself. Oh, I also got these earrings from like shopping. Yeah, like shopping. I'll show you guys once I get it. It's just a few winter stuff. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, Lucretia got me something very cute. Let me show you guys. I don't have a tripod, so my phone keeps sliding. Lucretia got me this decorative book from Pep. It's written in New York. It has like marble effect. That's what it looks like. It was a small $30, guys. We did one thing about Pep Home. One thing about Pep Home, baby, you will always be famous, okay? Always be famous. I really like it. I'm thinking of putting my diffuser on top here in Nayana. So I don't know if I should use that coffee table that I'm currently using as a TV stand or the console table. But I think the coffee table will work best. We'll see. We'll try start it together and see how it goes. So yeah, I want to make some eggs with bread and have coffee, snuggle on the couch and catch up, because one thing about the past 2 weeks, I have been busy. I've been busy planning, like helping my friend plan for her wedding, prep rather for her wedding, helping out where I can. So I wasn't watching vlogs, I wasn't watching movies. So today, because the weather also permits, I'm gonna do that. I have a virtual meeting later. You get in the event, but let's go watch. I think Sitati posted a vlog. Ona Oliphant posted a vlog. I haven't finished Tia Smith's vlog, so there's a lot for me to watch. Namhla obviously posted a vlog because today's a Sunday. So I have a lot to watch. Heyyyyy, I haven't watched her vlog as well. It's again, I have a lot to watch. So let's make some tea or coffee. I think I'll have a cappuccino with just plain egg, bread and butter. Yeah, let's do that. This was my outfit for today. About to have my breakfast. This looks so good. Made pancakes with just some bacon and scrambled eggs. These are so fluffy. Wow. Okay. Tried a new recipe for these, by the way. I actually made more, but I'm just gonna have those 2, maybe 3. I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, today is a Monday. No, today is a Tuesday. I am actually at BTV. I'm at BTV. We have an event regarding mind mapping festival that we have on Saturday, this Saturday. I hope you guys are aware of that. I hope you guys are getting your tickets, and I will see you guys there. So the interview is actually at 20 minutes to 3, an hour early, because I don't know, in case they need to do my makeup, because they need to do everything. Arrival time I think was 10 past 3 or quarter to 2. I think it was quarter to 2. So let's head in. Obviously I don't know where I'm going. One of the reasons why I'm early. Plus you should just always be early for people's stuff. Anyway, I will be with somebody from Bosasnet, a professional, obviously, because I'm not a professional in the mental health space. I brought myself a drink. I don't know if I should go in with it, or they're gonna provide me a drink or water at least. I think water, because I'm a bit nervous, guys. It's gonna be live. Imagine a live. Yo. Yeah. Let's go, guys. They don't have beauty. I'm telling you.
le tatlhegelo ya matshelo le yone e le mo teng e le bana ba ba neng re beile mo go bone go isago ya bone e nne ya tlhotlhwa ba tsweledise lefatshe leno.
To be key to creating awareness and ending mental health challenges. Now, mental health is so complex and diverse, and it's not something that can be tackled in one day, as many people knowingly or unknowingly suffer or live with a form of compromised mental health. Thus, Mind Mapping Mental Health Fest was born. The Mind Mapping Fest is a safe space to hold conversations around mental health, to demystify the different conditions that affect many. Now, co-founder of Golden Vineyard, Ms. Keone Kaisara, and Bosasnet Clinical Program Manager, Ms. Lorato Gonzalez, joined this conversation this afternoon. Ladies, welcome to BTV News in Context.
Thank you so much.
Now, mental health seems like something that we are always talking about, and it's not the first time we've also hosted Bosasnet talking mental health. It's something that seems needed. Maybe let's start by talking about the status of Botswana when it comes to mental health issues. Let's start with you, Mekaisa.
To make sure people are aware of mental health, and just so we can get to a space where we can talk about it openly and freely, like we do any other issue.
Now, Mike Kaisara is talking about the issues openly and freely. What's the importance of talking about mental health issues? Are we doing something whilst we are talking about them? Is there something being solved in that conversation, Me?
But for me, the biggest part of what I do is actually just that, talking, right? Talk therapy, just talking about your issues, airing it out. Because the more you talk about it, the more you realize it's not that big. It's not that isolating, because then there are other people who are going through the same thing. And then the reason why we have to keep talking about mental health, though, is that in mental illness, when you have a mental illness, it's not a visible thing. But when I have a mental illness, it is not necessarily visible. So
and what inspired it? I know we spoke about how we're going to be sitting and having conversations that are going to be helping us as Botswana, but really what encouraged it?
I think the birth of the mind mapping is just sparked from, you know, my co-founder and I just sitting down and saying, you know what, this is a big issue. Obviously, we have had our fair share. I have a story that, of course, because of time, I will not be able to share today, but I went through a rough patch. You know, I went through a rough patch and I realized that even my surrenders, I didn't have that support that I felt like if I had, things would have been better. So we came up with this event to say, you know what, we actually want to educate people. It may not be you having, you know, the mental illness, you know, or shortcoming when it comes to mental health, but somebody you know, how can I support them? But if it's you, how can I find help? How do I even know that this is a problem? You know, so first of all, it's just identification that, you know what, this is a problem. We do have professionals, obviously, like who will be there to say, this is how I identify that I'm not okay. What do I do once I find out that I'm not okay? Where do I go to? Do I have to pay? Do I not have to pay? What do I say when I get there? How do I make sure that, like she said, my feelings are heard? You know, how do I make sure that I leave that place feeling better and wanting to do better for myself? And we also have testimonials, people who have been through, you know, various mental health illnesses, and some with substance abuse, you know, rape victims, just to touch on, to just make it a bit personal to whoever's there, whoever's listening, to say, you know what, she has overcome this thing, I'm going through that right now. How did she do it? What can I copy from her? And what can I do to just make sure I'm okay? And then if she's there with her cousin can say, oh, my cousin is going through this. I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make sure that she feels heard. So this is what that's what we have. We will also have counseling booths, one-on-one sessions to say, hey, my good one-on-one. So we also have, I mean, entertainment, because so I think for the most part we want people to live there knowing more about mental health, and some actually having gotten the healing that they've been needing in their lives.
Wow, sounds great. You know, I get to also
yes.
because obviously you're going to be hearing testimonials of people who have actually overcome what you may be going through at the moment. I think it's very important, and also the fact that you have offered counseling booths. So I'm thinking to myself, for the fact that we're having counseling booths there, in the mind of somebody who's going through something, won't they go like, now people are gonna know that I'm going through something when they see me going into a counseling booth? So how do we kind of like overcome that kind of mindset to make us like
I'm laughing because look, when you're going through something, it's not invisible. As much as I've said for it, mental illness is not a broken leg or it's not a bandaged wound. It is a demeanor. There is a mood, if you will allow me to say, that persists over you. I think, and that's the other thing, it's very difficult to find people who will actually then listen. I get, oh hi, how are you? I get, yes. And then if you're not fine, I'm not ready to receive, but I'm not fine. I'm not ready to receive the honesty of where you actually are. So, you know, but in an environment like the one we are setting up, it is not clear what the challenge is. It could very well be, because in our advocating for people to actually go to the booths, we'll just not be saying, yeah, counseling. The thing isn't that we will be providing counseling here, right? It is to say, because we are aware that people will be triggered, because people...
So it's open to everybody. Anyone is welcome to come.
Absolutely. Live band sounds like something I'd really love to see.
Right?
Right. Ladies, thank you so much for making time to be with us this afternoon. We hope that the event itself will be a success, and it will birth growth and change, especially in the mental health of Botswana. Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you for having us here.
You're most welcome. Yes, we're talking mental health issues, but so let us go and gear ourselves towards working on our mental health issues.
Guys, I did it! Oh my word! Nyakana's gonna buy me ice cream. I'm with my cousin. She wants to try the jalapeno cheese fries. I get again like I get to give the lemon and more that are nice, so she wants to try them. What didn't you? Reunited with my faves.
BTV, 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 BTV.
For fresh on us, we need your presence, your kingdom come, your will be done.
Raising awareness on climate change, climate issues in Botswana, etc. And then on your phone, you'll get 4 options. Yeah. 4.
Will be an opening prayer or I get about yes. We're going to call to the stage pastor in training, aka my mother. Onto the stage. Instead of clapping, we're gonna go. Okay, let's practice.
And I am one of the founders of the Golden Vineyard. So the Golden Vineyard is a social enterprise that has been...
That this is what Dinaledi has decided to do today in sharing her journey. So Dinaledi, good morning. Pertaining to mental health. We want you to take us through what it looks like to have mental health.
Good afternoon. Yaka wile kibidwa Dr. Wotsangari Chaba.
On the inside all alone, long with the ground in my palms. Kids with the talent, man, kids and I got. But they want yacht, but I got so cool. Brothers, my sisters, and when they would not. There's a millionaire in each one of us, not a millionaire in the sense of mine. I'm a millionaire, and I didn't know it.
Our youngest we've seen is a 9-year-old who used cat, and the stage of use was at addiction. He was just under 2, and after that, the youngest is 13 years old. Majority of clients are 13, 14, 15, 16 who are in the youth program. So, year-old who was told, this is Shebed, just take it. And then what did he do? He ingested it. He put it on the tongue and swallowed the cat up until it was something that he actively craved because nonetheless it's being put into the body. Right? So it's the presentations, like I'm saying, and also we have a Substance Abuse Awareness Month every August. We hold this, we call it SAM. The Substance Abuse Awareness Month targets issues that we see.
We have to begin somewhere. Society, I would love to ask each and every one of you here, in what you do, are you building or are you tearing down?
And then you have those as a non-negotiable. because I realize everybody here has things they value, but now things like envy and contempt and all these other negative feelings that come from comparison start now diluting your value system, and you end up, like Dinaledi was saying, being in transactional relationships. I'll give you this for that. Or sometimes you even betray yourself. You trade in your own self-respect or your dignity just for temporary, what's the word? What's the English word? Yeah, ma'am. Just for status. You would rather, you know, maybe default on a payment and go be seen.
Make sure that you try and limit the type of content they consume, as well as limiting the amount of time they actually spend on TV or on social.
Hey guys, oh my god, I haven't vlogged this entire week. We had an event on Saturday. I was so exhausted. Remember, we had the wedding and then perhaps for the event, which I didn't vlog much of. So yeah, today is a Thursday. I actually want to upload this vlog overnight so it can be live to you guys tomorrow. Luckily I have something to do, so I can vlog that today, add that to the vlog, edit quickly, then upload at night. So my hair is a little bit of a mess, but I have a job tomorrow. I'm gonna be catering. Is this phone sliding? I think the phone is sliding. Okay, so I will be catering tomorrow, so I'm gonna buy a few supplies. My cousin is also gonna come and help me. We're gonna prep, and then I have something exciting. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys watch G Maila. She has a YouTube channel. She's not so consistent. Girl, what's up? She's not so consistent, but I really like her channel. She and I share the same birthday, so recently she hit me up. She's like, hi girl, I commented on your vlog, but my comment has been deleted. I don't know why, but I wanted to get you something from this company. I'm gonna put it down here. So they make candles, diffusers, all that cute stuff. So she says I should go, she said I should go to the page, pick whatever I want, and then let her know. I did that. So yesterday she sent me, she's like, your stuff is ready, I can deliver or collect if you want. So we ended up agreeing that I will collect from her today. Oh my god. So I'll be running errands, obviously buying food, supplies and stuff, and then I'm gonna pass by her to collect, and then we're gonna see where to put them in my house. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's do that. I was actually boiling water in a pot. I'm gonna make a cappuccino. I'm gonna have that with 2 slices of bread and cheese, nothing else on it. I know I can be weird sometimes, but yeah, I know that days like this, when I have like a very busy day, if I don't have breakfast, it's rips for me. I think it's currently like past 10 to 11. It's gonna be my first meal of the day. Lately I've been eating after 10 every day. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, that's what's been happening. I miss my husband so much, so I think I'm losing interest in quite a few things that I like to do. But yeah, I'm really happy that I get new candles, a new diffuser that lift up my mood. So yeah, I think I'll do my hair, I don't know when, probably Sunday, because I will be helping somebody with a catering on Saturday, so I'll be busy as well. And then half the day, I think I'll just spend the day with my daughters, like half of Saturday with my daughters, and then Sunday as well. I'll see if I can vlog that for you guys, but it'll definitely be in the next vlog. So let's do this. I just got home. My cousin and I just got home, you guys. I wanted to close off the vlog right here because we're so exhausted. There's nothing more we can do. Let's just get ready for tomorrow. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you'll subscribe. I hope to see your comments down in the comment section below, and I hope that if you have not yet, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog, which is next week. Bye.